So the first part is to find the domain, and the domain is all real numbers except the denominator can't be 0 because you're not allowed to divide by 0. But to be more specific, I have to factor to find out what values for x will make the denominator 0. So x cannot equal 5 and x cannot equal 2. Otherwise, it can be all real numbers. So that is the domain. Now, the second question is f of x equals 2. So this is the y value where the function equals 2. So that means that this is equal to 2. So 2 equals 2 minus x over, and I'm just going to keep my factored form here since I've already done the work. I'm going to solve this. Now before I start solving away, I notice that this and this are factors that are very close. I can switch the order of the numerator by pulling out a negative. So I have 2 equals, and I'm pull out the negative, and I switch the order, and that allows me to cancel these and get a much simpler equation. Now I'm going to multiply everything by the lowest common denominator. That leaves me with 2x minus 10 because I'm going to multiply these in. I'm not going to forget my negative and multiply that into this bracket. So that cancels, it doesn't multiply in, I just left with negative 1. Now solving for x, add 10 to both sides and divide by 2. So here is my x coordinate. Now C asks for the point. To write it as a point, the x coordinate is n over 2 and the y coordinate was 2.